Hi, and welcome to Rainbow Unicorn Cat 1 channel. As you know, Kat and I recently acquired this beautiful collector doll. It's a collab with FAO Schwarz and Swarovski, and she retails at $300. Last week we posted an unboxing video and several people commented on the price. If you haven't seen this video yet, I'll put the link to it in the description box below. And by the way, if you're new to this channel and interested in all things American Girl, but not yet a subscriber, you should definitely subscribe to our channel. And if you turn on the notification bell, YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. That's a lot of American Girl content, am I right? Back to the toy soldier doll. $300 is quite a bit higher than the previous collector dolls. The price keeps going up each year, so I thought I'd make a video and break down the cost of this doll and see if she really is worth the price. Of course, limited edition dolls will always be more expensive than non-limited edition dolls. And it's not just a scarcity factor, which, let's face it, is also present. For some people, it's a status symbol. They want to buy something expensive just because they can afford it. But with limited edition items, designing costs per item are always higher. If you're only making 4,000 of these dolls, all the work that went into designing them will have to be divided by 4,000. Now, if you made 1 million of them, that work would have to be divided by 1 million. And that's just basic math. So designing costs are always higher for limited edition items. And designing costs don't just include sketching a doll and saying, well, this is a design we want. You also have to pick the materials and create a new pattern. You have to make sure that the fabric is not dye transfer. I'm really hoping that American Girl is working on that. There's a lot of work involved into turning a 2D sketch into a high-quality, mass-produced limited edition doll. I don't really know what designing costs on a doll like this are, so I can't give you a cost estimate. But let's estimate everything else. Regular, non-limited edition American Girl dolls currently retail at $115. I'm gonna base the price for the doll itself off a Truly Me doll because character dolls, their outfits sell in the secondary market for different prices depending on how liked or how rare a doll is. A Truly Me outfit can be purchased on American Girl website right now for $26, which brings the price of the doll itself to $89. That's $115 for a Truly Me doll, minus $26 for the outfit, and we got $89 for just a nude doll. This doll also comes with her ears pierced, and that service can be provided by American Girl for another $18. So I'm gonna add $18 to the cost. Now let's talk about the outfit. I think the most similar outfit that we can find is a Nutcracker Prince and Clara outfit set from 2019. The entire set retailed at $75, so I'm gonna say the Prince outfit was $38. Of course, that outfit was released 4 years ago, so we have to account for inflation and the increased production costs. So I'm gonna assume that today that outfit would cost around $50–60. The toy soldier outfit also has Swarovski crystals on it, and they're usually more expensive than no brand rhinestones. Previously, American Girl mentioned somewhere on the box exactly how many Swarovski crystals were on the doll's outfit, but this year they did not provide that information, so I had to count them on my own. This is what I got. So 2 crystals in the earrings, 27 on the hat. Each sleeve had 52 rhinestones, 68 on the belt, and 8 on the jacket as buttons. It brings us to a grand total of 209 crystals. That's quite a bit. Here's a listing that I found on michaels.com. This is Swarovski crystals. This is a package of 80 of them for $15, and you usually get a discount. Michaels often gives you 20% off one regular priced item. So let's just imagine that the value of Swarovski crystals on this limited edition doll outfit is between $20 and $30. So I'm going to count that as $30. Now let's talk about the box. This is not your ordinary American Girl doll box. This one is larger and much fancier. So the materials are higher quality and more expensive, and more went into designing the box. I'm gonna say that's an extra $20. By the way, if you don't agree with any of my estimates, or you have some better information, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear that. Now let's talk about the size of the box and the increased shipping cost. Of course, the shipping costs are already calculated into the price of all Truly Me dolls. I do my best to make sure that all my online orders come with free shipping. And free shipping is not really free, somebody is paying for it, and it's American Girl. If they sell a doll to me with free shipping, it should still be profitable for them to give me that free shipping. So the price of the shipping should be already calculated into the price of the doll. The new collector doll in a box is a little bit heavier than the regular doll in a box, but it's definitely larger in volume. And mail companies base their price for shipping on something called volumetric weight, which means they base their price on both weight and volume. So it's something small but super heavy, it's going to be expensive. And if it's something big but very light, it's still going to be expensive. Sometimes even 1 inch in one of the dimensions will make the price go up about $10. I kid you not, this exact thing happened to me at a USPS office. I literally had to go back home and repackage what I was sending. If we were to compare the size of the boxes, it's pretty obvious that the new Toy Soldier Collector Dolls box is larger than the previous year's Collector doll boxes. Maybe by 10-15%? I don't know. Definitely more expensive. So the shipping is going to be expensive. And we also have to account not only the domestic shipping, but also shipping from China. The shipping cost is going to be, I'm going to say at least $20 more. I'm going to add $20. It might be more than that. If you have more info on what the shipping is like, let me know in the comments, because I don't really know. And the last thing I want to talk about is the price of licensing. Now, all American Girl doll collector dolls so far have come with Swarovski crystals. Obviously, American Girl purchases those crystals from Swarovski, so Swarovski is already making money by selling the crystals to American Girl. But I wonder if they also get some money from each sale. I'm going to estimate their licensing fee as $10 per doll, maybe, I don't know. And I would assume that FAO Schwarz license is more expensive than Swarovski's, because FAO Schwarz is not making any money other than getting a certain percentage of the sales. American Girl is not purchasing any product from FAO Schwarz. So I'm going to estimate their licensing fee between $20 and $30. So it's like almost 10%. Does that sound fair? Does that sound right to you? Okay, now we're going to add everything up, and we get the number $277. So according to my estimate, the price of this doll should have been $277, and we got $300. Also remember, when the doll just got released, it was on pre-sale for Berry members. And on the first day of the release, American Girl was giving triple points. If you convert those points into rewards, that would make around $60 in rewards. So for Berry members, that doll really cost about $240. So if some people are paying $300 for it and some people are paying $240, I can see the actual price being $277. Now let me share my thoughts with you on whether she is worth the high price. I already had rewards actually saved. I had $60 in rewards. So that doll cost us $240. And that's a much more appealing price. To tell you the truth, I don't know if I would have bought it for $300. That seems like a really excessive price. And I'm saying it because I'm an adult collector. I absolutely love the look of this doll. She's very unique. She's not like any other American Girl collector doll that we've seen in the past. She also has this old-timey holiday Christmas feel. Very classy, very magical, should I say? I personally don't have any childhood memories associated with FAO Schwarz, so I'm just buying this doll because she's beautiful, she's unique, she's absolutely spectacular. This is not a nostalgia buy for me, but I know it is for a lot of people. It's been over a week since she was released, and she's still available on the website. I'm sure she will sell out soon enough. She has a pretty low edition size compared to previous year's collector dolls, and the only reason she didn't sell out yet, in my opinion, is the weird release time. Who releases a Christmas-themed doll in July? It is highly likely that she was originally meant to be released closer to the holidays. And just imagine having this doll on display at American Girl store. American Girl Place NYC is located right next to Rockefeller Center. The Rockefeller Center Christmas tree lighting is a huge event. There are always a lot of people. So if American Girl had the toy soldier doll displayed in their NYC store close to the Rockefeller Center around Christmas time, I'm sure the sales would be much higher than they are right now. It really feels like this doll was meant to be released around Christmas time. It looks like American Girl made a decision to change the release date for Girl of the Year. Instead of January, she gets released probably somewhere in October, November, which means that the collector dolls that were meant to be released in October, November, and December kind of got moved to July, August, and September. I don't have any insider info on that, but it just feels that way. It just feels like this is common sense. And I also hear that Kavi is not selling that well. To get higher sale numbers, American Girl management decided to release Girl of the Year 2024 in 2023. In all fairness, American Girl only promoted Kavi back in January. As soon as the Hoffman twins came out, American Girl focused on promoting them. So this might be the reason why Kavi's sale numbers are relatively low. But honestly, Girl of the Year release on January 1st never really made sense for me from business point of view. Most kids already got their toys for Christmas. Most of the companies release new toys before Christmas. September, October, new toys get heavily promoted, kids want the stuff, parents buy it for the holidays. Toy companies have the highest sales around the holiday season. We adult collectors like to think that we're a huge segment in American Girl target market. But the truth is, the majority of the sales still comes from kids getting the toys. Let me know in the comments if you agree that this doll was originally meant to be released around the holidays, but got moved forward because of Girl of the Year. And this is it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, if you found this entertaining, don't forget to give us thumbs up. It really means a lot to us. And if you're not a subscriber yet, I definitely recommend subscribing to our channel if you're interested in American Girl stuff. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. But sometimes we post on other days as well. Thanks for watching and see you next time.